Hi guys, this is the Frugal Saver. This week we are talking about top credit cards in Australia. This is the August 2020 edition. Just a quick disclaimer, I don't work for any of these financial institutes, so I don't have an vested interest. But I have put a lot of research into this video, so please hit the like and subscribe button to support my work. Alright, let's go. Today I'm looking at credit cards with no annual fee and low interest rate. These are good for anyone who's a little tight with their budget. The credit card normally do not come with any rewards, but I think it serves its purpose as a credit card. A few of these credit cards have an introductory deal, such as waiving the credit card fee for the first 12 months, free balance transfer from existing credit card debts, and no interest on purchases. First off the bat is the Frank credit card, brought to you by ME Bank, which offers a low variable interest rate of 11.99% per annum and an ongoing $0 per annum annual fee. It includes the standard 55 days interest-free on purchases. You can get this credit card in black or white, and it has some of the safety features including instant embargo on the card in event that your card is stolen. As this is a Mastercard, there are other added exclusive offers that Mastercard has, so you can use that through their partnered website. There's no offers currently for bank transfer, so this is a great starting credit card and for the budget conscious. Next we have the Bankwest Zero Mastercard. As the name suggests, it's also in partner with Mastercard. Similar to Frank credit card, it has no annual fee and has an interest-free period of 55 days. If you want to transfer any credit from another bank, the fee is 2.99%. However, the interest rate for purchases is 17.99% per annum, which is 6% higher than the Frank credit card. Right now there are 3 banks, St George, Bank SA and Bank of Melbourne. They are offering 2 no fee and no interest rate credit cards, with the caveat that these rates will be reverted back to their variable interest rate after a certain period. The cards also have no interest on purchases for 7 months. So the first is called Vertigo credit card. All 3 banks offer the same deal, so it's really up to you which bank you prefer to go with. The Vertigo credit card has an interest rate of 0% per annum on purchases for the first 7 months, 0% on balance transfer for 22 months. However, there is a transfer fee of 1.5% and the card is fee-free for the first year. Once 7 months have lapsed, you need to pay 13.99% on your purchases. Once 1 year has lapsed, you need to pay an annual fee of $55. And once the 22 months is up, the applicable variable cash advance rate will apply to any remaining unpaid transfer balance, which is at a very high 21.49%. But if you didn't transfer any debt from another credit card, this does not apply to you. Another card provided by St George, Bank SA and Bank of Melbourne is the Amplify Platinum card. It has all the special offers of a Vertigo credit card, except the annual fee is $40 more once the 1 year has lapsed. Also, the interest rate is higher than the Vertigo credit card. Once the 7 months have lapsed, you will need to pay 19.74% on your purchases. The higher annual fee is because the card has a rewards program attached. They offer these Amplify points and you get 1 point for every dollar spent on eligible purchases. And like the Vertigo credit card, once the 22-month period is up, the applicable variable cash advance rate will apply to any remaining unpaid transfer balance. These deals sound pretty good, but the card carry the risk that you might not be able to pay off everything you owe on your purchases at the end of the 7 month. If you're like me and is not so organised, I will opt for the lower interest rate and no fee ME Bank's Frank credit card or Bankwest's Zero Mastercard. A similar type of card to that of Vertigo credit card is ANZ's low rate credit card. This card has no annual fee for the first year and 0% balance transfer for the first 22 months. However, after the first year, the card has an annual fee of $58, which is $3 more than the Vertigo credit card, and interest on the unpaid transfer is 20.24%, which is slightly lower than the Vertigo credit card, and the interest rate on purchases is only 12.49% per annum, making it only 1% higher than ME Bank's Frank credit card. So these are my top picks for this edition's low interest rate, no fee credit cards. Before I leave, I should mention that I'm not a financial advisor. You should consider seeking independent financial advice to check how the information provided here relates to your own financial circumstances. If you want to follow me on social, you can find me on the handle The Frugal Saver on Instagram. Thanks for watching!